It's a 2016 Cadillac SRX. Cadillac has earned a respected reputation and continues to build on it with this SRX. A peaceful drive sounds different to many people, and the design of this vehicle protects your atmosphere from outside noise. Strong where it needs to be, this SUV offers award-winning safety, a potent V6 engine, and sharp style with hand-sewn leather and genuine wood trim. The ride is responsive and the interior adaptable with up to 61 cubic feet of cargo room. This ample vehicle can keep you connected with OnStar 4G LTE and built-in Wi-Fi hotspot, while also offering many choices for entertainment, including Bluetooth and the Cadillac CUE information and media control system.
You might drive just to listen to the Bose sound system. The UltraView sunroof gives you even more fresh air for your drive. The side blind zone alert helps you maneuver through traffic.
You'll notice a feeling of pride when you drive away in this SRX. Come take a closer look today.
Thompson McConnell Cadillac. Call, click, or stop in today. We're conveniently located at 2820 Gilbert Avenue in Cincinnati, Ohio.